better days, one of our happier days. But still not a lot of playing. You know, he's not even gotten any toys out since he's been home from school. He's mostly been in my lap, watching a movie. Yeah, that is my head. And you tickled me. So you can tell we're in a better mood today. But even in the better mood, tickle, tickle, tickle. There was the head rub. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. See, he had the burst of energy for a minute there, and then it's back to rubbing his head. So even on the good days, it's there.